Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot chocolate using Cadbury hot chocolate powder. First, gather your essential ingredients: Cadbury hot chocolate powder, fresh milk, and a touch of sugar if you like it sweeter. You'll also need a mug, a spoon, and either a microwave or a small saucepan. Make sure you have approximately 200 milliliters of milk on hand. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, setting the stage for a perfect warm beverage. Now, let's create the rich chocolate base. Begin by adding 3 heaped teaspoons of Cadbury hot chocolate powder directly into your mug. If you prefer a sweeter drink, feel free to add 1 or 2 teaspoons of sugar at this stage. Next, pour in just a small splash of milk, either hot or cold, into the mug. Stir this mixture vigorously with your spoon until it transforms into a smooth, thick, and lump-free paste. This ensures a wonderfully consistent flavor. With your chocolate paste ready, it's time to heat the rest of your milk. You can do this in a microwave for about 1 minute and 30 seconds, or gently warm it in a saucepan on the stovetop until it's steaming but not boiling. Once your milk is hot, slowly pour it into your mug, continuously stirring the chocolate paste. This gradual addition and constant stirring will ensure everything combines beautifully, creating a silky smooth and delicious hot chocolate. Your delightful Cadbury hot chocolate is almost ready. For an extra special touch, consider adding some delicious toppings. Whipped cream, fluffy marshmallows, or a sprinkle of chocolate shavings can elevate your drink to a new level of indulgence. Serve your hot chocolate immediately while it's wonderfully warm and comforting. Take a moment to savor the rich, creamy flavor you've just created. Enjoy every sip of your perfect homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.